Photoshop 2022 101, Photoshop 2022. Adobe Photoshop 2022. Adobe Photoshop 2022 is a comprehensive and advanced image editing software that offers a wide range of features for photographers, graphic designers, and digital artists. Here's a detailed overview. Features asterisk, Object Finder, utilizes AI to identify and select main subjects within an image. Mask all objects, automatically creates masks for all detected subjects in a layer. Harmonization Neural Filter, matches the color of an object to its background using AI Superscript 1. Landscape Mixer Neural Filter, transforms landscapes using presets for custom images. Commenting on cloud documents, enables collaboration with feedback and comments within the app. Paste vectors from Illustrator, preserves layer structure and positioning when pasting vector art from Illustrator. Cons asterisk, complex interface, can be overwhelming for beginners. Subscription model, requires a Creative Cloud subscription. Limited vector support, while it handles vectors, it's not as robust as dedicated vector software. Known issues and fixes asterisk, crash on launch, some users report crashes on startup, which can often be resolved by updating graphics drivers or Photoshop itself. Program errors, issues with tools like CloneStamp have been addressed in updates. Scratch disk errors, scratch disk full errors are common and can be mitigated by freeing up space or changing scratch disk preferences. Advanced tips asterisk, use neural filters, explore creative and unexpected ways to enhance images with AI-powered filters. Customize workspaces, tailor the interface to suit your workflow for efficiency. Keyboard shortcuts, learn and use shortcuts to speed up your editing process. Alternatives asterisk, Affinity Photo, a one-time purchase software with a similar toolkit, no subscription required. GIMP, a free and open-source image editor with a range of features for photo manipulation. Corel Paint Shop Pro, offers photo editing and graphic design capabilities at a budget-friendly price. When choosing a Photoshop alternative, consider your specific needs, budget, and the level of professional features required. Trying out free trials can help determine if an alternative meets your expectations before committing to a purchase. Always keep your chosen software updated to benefit from the latest features and improvements.